International Yoga Day 2024. International Day of Yoga 2024 is the 10th edition of the International Yoga Day. Every year on June 21st, the world unites to celebrate International Yoga Day, a day dedicated to raising awareness about ancient Indian yoga and its manifold benefits for physical and mental well-being. Aim of International Yoga Day. The International Day of Yoga aims to promote yoga for health, spiritual growth, global peace, and to raise awareness worldwide about the many benefits of yoga. International Yoga Day 2024 theme. This year marks the 10th International Day of Yoga with the theme Yoga for Self and Society, which prioritizes the physical and mental well-being of the community. Why celebrate International Yoga Day? International Yoga Day is being celebrated because yoga is very beneficial for us. Yoga is known for its holistic approach to health and well-being, physical, mental, and spiritual growth. Benefits include improved flexibility, strength, mental clarity, stress reduction, and overall wellness. Benefits of the International Day of Yoga 2024. Global awareness. International Yoga Day aims to raise awareness about the numerous benefits of yoga and encourage people worldwide to adopt a healthier lifestyle. Holistic well-being. This day promotes yoga as a holistic approach to physical fitness, mental well-being, and spiritual growth, accessible to people of all ages and abilities. Promote unity. International Yoga Day serves as a platform for people from diverse cultures and backgrounds to come together and embrace yoga as a unifying force, fostering a sense of unity. Mental health. Yoga is known for its stress-relieving and mental health benefits, making it essential in today's modern world. Yoga for Self and Society. The day aims to spread yoga as a global movement, focusing on raising awareness of social health problems and well-being. Celebrating cultural heritage. International Yoga Day honors ancient yoga, which originated in India and serves as a soft power in diplomatic relations,